Here we go, baby! What's up, GT gang? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mojo, and today, Sam is actually holding my phone on my GoPro. What's up? So, actually, this is my GoPro. He's holding my camera on my phone, so I know what I look like. Anyway, today is the day we have the engine block going to the machine shop, and I want to take it there completely naked. So all I have to do is remove these plugs. Instead of a standard freeze plug design, they went with these set screw plugs. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and throw you guys on a time lapse. I have a head mount, so we're gonna try it. Okay, guys, so this is the head mount feature, I guess. I don't know what to do with my hands. So that's Sam. He's holding my phone. As you can see, there's you guys. So I can see what's on my GoPro even when I can't see the screen on my GoPro. So I'm going to throw you guys on a time lapse and take these bad boys out. Okay, we're live. All right, everybody, here is the plan. We're going to slide this off, and we could either guide it and set it on the ground, move this out of the way and then go, or we can just go. Ready? Here we go, baby! Hell yeah, baby. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead, head off the machine shop. I'm actually gonna take a couple pictures, and I'll see you guys at Sterling. All right, everybody, we are at Ron's Automotive Machine Shop in Sterling, Illinois. If you guys have not been here and you live local to here, you need to go here. He has great response times, great customer service, and I'm sure that my product will come out looking better than it ever will from anywhere else. So I'm gonna go in there and talk to Ron, and go ahead and pull this bad boy in there. Okay, guys, we just dropped off the block. Corey, the guy that actually does all the machine work, doesn't really like cameras. He's really old school, but if he is watching this, that'd be pretty badass. So say hi to Corey. But it actually isn't ran by Ron, but Corey's a really awesome guy. We have really great conversations, and I have to order my ARP head studs because he needs them for a torque plate for the heads to bore out the cylinders, and he needs my crankshaft. So I'm going to order my ARP head studs today, and whenever they get in, I'll bring them to him and he'll be able to bore it out. So it'll be a couple weeks before I have my engine done, but needless to say, it's here and he can clean it up and it'd be a great start. Let's go, baby.
What's up?
So we got some food. We're going to go ahead and eat some KFC. We figured we would while we're out of town, and yeah. What'd you get, Sam?
Nashville hot tender combo.
This is going to be a taste test for the Nashville hot chicken tendies. All right, lads. Hell yeah. All right, Sam. See what you got. Taste test.
Taste test?
Oh, he's trying it.
Yep.
That's it for me taking the block to the machine shop. I really wanted to actually go more in depth with it, but Corey really doesn't like to talk in front of the camera. He's not really about it. So I respected that. And now, since the video isn't very long, I want to go into my parts room and show you guys some of the parts that I have for the build. Okay, everybody, so first things first, I'd like to look at this. Here is a Billet Technologies oil catch can. Right here, as you can see, I have the Billet Technologies oil catch can right here. I only got one of these. It's baffled right there, as you can see. It's actually really high quality CNC aluminum. Let's put this back on if I can. Well, I'm gonna run dual catch cans, and I only ordered one, so I do need to get another one of those. Okay, so also, this is my old rotating assembly, guys, and I'm not really sure what I want to do with this. I think I'm open to selling it with my old crankshaft. So that would be an entire rotating assembly that's labeled and ready to drop in, a 6-1 rotating assembly. This would be very good for somebody that needs to do a stock rebuild or wants to do a 6-1 upgrade with their 5.7. Granted, I don't know the exact mileage on this engine, let alone all of the parts that are in it. So I also have my stock camshaft here. These are all my bolts and spark plugs, coil packs, etc. I have a stock throttle body. If anybody needs a stock throttle body, hit me up. I mean, it's really not in that great of shape, but yeah, I mean, I'd sell it to you like stupid cheap. What else do we have here? Here's my oil pan, obviously a brand new water pump. So now this is the cool stuff right here. I have my Getrag. You can get a lot closer for you. Here is my Getrag 306 with the Pentastar. So this is a Getrag 306 gear out of a 2012 SRT8 Charger. And I also had to get the upgraded axles. I went with Drive Shaft Shop 1400 horsepower capable axles. These initially are $1,700, but I got them for $200 used. And then I have this leg maker intake that I plan on running. The reason why I went with this intake as opposed to mine was because this coupler right here actually is badass. It actually goes to my 95mm throttle body with no issues. And on top of that, it's a leg maker. So leg maker is just amazing. I am running the Mopar coolant, as you can see back here. Hellcat Lifters. I'll open these up for you. So they don't look any different, but they are a larger size roller bearing. As you can see, in the older ones, you couldn't actually see the roller bearing in there. I don't know if how well you guys can see that. Yeah. So now you can kind of see the roller bearing in there. That's how you know that they're Hellcat lifters or the upgraded. So what people don't get is that they are the same part number, but they changed the design. So even though that people say that, oh, it's the same part number, don't let you get fooled. Well, it's because they just changed the design. They are the same part number, but they are a different design. And this is the automatic transmission fluid that I'm going with right here. Titan ATF 4134. It's honestly the best stuff you can get for the Nag 1. Yeah, the entire transmission will be full of this ultra high performance ATF. This is what they recommend. It is made in Germany. It's the best stuff, hands down. Along with the Erling filter. And you can see in the back here I have these Moog wheel bearing assemblies. Actually, they only came in with one Moog box, but they are, in fact, the entire wheel bearing assembly, hub assembly for the rears. This will bolt directly in with these axles for my 06 to 10 to match the 2009 to 2014 Getrag diff, which is obviously right here. And I also have a half of an RT drive shaft that I have to install. It's in this big box right here. Half of it. I'm actually thinking about going for a one-piece aluminum drive shaft because they're really not as expensive as I thought. They're running around $800 to $1,000. But that's gonna do it for this video. One more thing I'd like to add is that I have to go with HP tuners, an HP tuners tuner, because it is way more in depth. The Diablo Sport accomplishes not not enough capabilities for me to actually utilize it for my build. But my friend Sam that you saw in this video actually wants to buy it from me, but if he doesn't go through with buying it, I'm actually going to put it up for sale, and I'll ask you guys before I do anybody else. It's the Trinity T... What is it? The Trinity T2 Platinum. It's the nice one. It's the Platinum, so you can actually upload custom tunes to it. With that being said, guys, I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so excited for the build. I dropped the engine off at the machine shop, and Corey told me that I need to have my fasteners, so I ordered those. They actually already shipped before I was done editing this video. So that has to happen for the torque plates, for them to bore out the cylinders, and I need to take my crankshaft over there so that they can notch out the cylinders, because my stroke for the new crankshaft is actually too long and there will be clearance issues. So that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy, and as always, peace.